morning students. Today we are going to start our first chapter of English. The name of the lesson is patriotism, and the patriotism come under the lesson inspiration. Now, what is the meaning of inspiration? Inspiration is the feeling of enthusiasm that we are getting from something or someone that gives a new idea or creative ideas. It getting the new and the creative ideas which we are getting from someone or something. When you are getting inspired by someone or something, some particular book or the work of art, that is the source which we are getting from someone or something that gives a source of the new idea, and that is the model in our life. For example, how we are getting inspired by someone. For example, in my life, I am getting inspired by my family. They raise me, they are look after me. Without them, I am incomplete in my life. So I am inspired by my family. Now, for example, some of the people are getting inspired by some of the great leaders or some of the president, like for example, APJ Abdul Kalam or from Mother Teresa. So some of the people are getting inspired by Mother Teresa or from APJ Abdul Kalam because they have done so much of service for their country. So that is the meaning of inspiration here. How you are getting inspired by some of the people. So you can do in your life as they have done the service for their country. So we are going to study some of the lesson here, like patriotism, how the little guy learned to fly, a great moment for all those children. These lessons are come under inspiration. Now we are going to start our first chapter, patriotism. In this lesson also you can see how the father is getting inspired by his own son. Now in this lesson, who is the author? Author is Ramnendra Kumar. Who is the author here? Author is Ramnendra Kumar. In the lesson patriotism, and the characters in this lesson are Nanaji, Ajit, Naina, and Dr. Akash Rai. There are 4 characters in this lesson: Dr. Akash Rai, Ajit, Naina, and Nanaji. So in this lesson, Ajit and Naina, the children, they don't know the exact meaning of patriotism here. So first they think that the meaning of the patriotism is dying for one's own country or sacrifice their life for one's own country. So the Nanaji decided to taught them what is the exact meaning of patriotism here. So he tells them that the exact meaning of patriotism is we are doing for our country in a small ways, that we respect or love our national flag, or we respect our national anthem, or we respect our own culture. So in a small ways also we can show our patriotism for our country. It's not that we die or we sacrifice for our life is known as a patriotism here. In a small ways also you can show the patriotism for our own country here. So then also the children are unable to understand the exact meaning of patriotism. After that, Nanaji decided to tell them the story of a real problem of a real people. So let the children came to know what is the exact and the real meaning of patriotism here. So he tells the children that he will took them for a picnic on a Sunday. On Sunday they will go for a picnic about 100 kilometers away, and the village name will be a Himapet. On that village they will spend the day and return by the night. So on Sunday, as Sunday comes, Nanaji took the children on a picnic, and the village name is Himapet. So they took the first train to the village Himapet, and they reached after almost 2.5 hours later. They themselves found a dusty railway station where they met a man who wore white dhoti and kurta. He greeted them with the folded hands, and he led them to a cart. And the cart trundled. Trundle means here slowly, and the cart trundled them for almost an hour. After that, they have reached to a village. What the village name is here? Himapet. On that village, they have to spend their day and return by the night. So after reaching the village Himapet, they have taken their breakfast, and Nanaji took the children Ajit and Naina. They took the children Ajit and Naina to a huge people tree. Around that people tree there was a platform where they have sat, and Nanaji have started to tell them a story about a real problem of the real people here. So he started to tell them a story of a young man whose name was Akash. So around 10 years ago, there was a young man whose name was Akash, who was studying to be a doctor. So that man whose name was Akash, he was studying to be a doctor. He completed his MBBS and he worked very hard and he got his master degree, and he also got a scholarship to USA. So he went to USA to got his for his further studies. So after getting his all the degrees, he back to India. So when he back to India, along with him, his 10 friends also were there. His friends were settled down in America, but Akash returned back to India. After when he back to India, his father and mother, they were not satisfied by seeing his son that he back to India, because his parents thought was that his son would be settled down in America, because his father and mother wanted that his son when he become a doctor, they will also settle down with them there in America, because they wanted that his son should earn a lot of money, and he called their parents and sisters to be settled down in America itself. But his son had not done that. What he had done, he came back to India. Now why Akash had back to India? Because he want to serve and to do the service of the people of India here. Because what he's thinking for the people of India, he thought that India has spent 1,000 of rupees for him to be a doctor. So now his turn had came to spend to repay his debt. Now his turn has to pay the repay of his debt for his country. Now his turn to do the service of the people of India here, because he knows that America is having so many doctors, so many people are there, but India is having not many doctors. So Akash has decided to be back to in India. So now he started his service to be in India in the government hospital. After doing as a doctor in the government hospital, a week later, what he has heard, an epidemic broke in the nearby village. In the nearby village, he had heard an epidemic broke. Epidemic means a pandemic disease. Like in the recent, now a corona has a pandemic disease, he has broke out in a country. Same on that time, Akash was in the government hospital. At that time, an epidemic has broke near in the village. So what he has done, he just packed his bag and he rushed to that village. Why he had rushed to that village? To save the life of the villager. But he had not informed to his parents. So without informing, he has hurried to that village to save the life of the people there. But he had not informed to his parents. But after a week later, Akash's father got a postcard. From whom he had got a postcard? From his son. That he has busy in treating the patient of the villager. And the situation was very serious there. After that, after 2 weeks later, Akash's father he received a phone call that Akash had been admitted in a hospital, and he was in a very serious condition. So after hearing that Akash had been admitted in the hospital and he was in a very serious condition, Akash's father and mother hurried to the hospital at that time only, because Akash could barely speak. He can't speak at all. So father and mother rushed to the hospital. They hurried off to the hospital at that time. So by seeing his son on the bed, Akash's father said to his son that, why are you torturing yourself, my son? You can earn a lot of money, you can settle down in America, but you are torturing yourself, you are fighting with your own life. Why you are doing this? So in this, Akash has given a simple answer answered to his father that I am not torturing my own life. I am satisfied with my own life here because I have saved so many lives of my own people of my village here, and I couldn't help it because I can't see people dying around it. I can't see people dying or suffer around myself. So I am satisfied with myself or with my service that I have saved my that have saved my people of my village here. So forgive me if I have tortured you and my mother. After battling for a month. Battling means after struggling for a month on that bed, he was died in his mother's arm because he has done so many because he has done service for his people. He has saved so many lives for the people. But at the last, he was getting disease, and he was after struggling for a month, he was died in his mother's arm. So at the cremation, the entire village was there at the cremation of the Akash. So the villagers have decided that to pay respect or to pay the homage for Akash. So they have decided to collect the donation from MLA to build the small hospital in the name of Akash. So they have got the huge donation for Akash to build a hospital in the name of Akash. After getting the donation, they have built a small hospital in the name of Akash. Akash means here the Dr. Akash Rai. So after saying this sentence, the small hospital has built, and after the small hospital has built in the name of Akash, the father of Akash has invited for the opening ceremony. So after saying this sentence, that Akash father was inaugurated for the hospital in the opening ceremony. So the Nanaji has stopped the story here. As Nanaji was telling the story to the Ajit and Nana, he stopped the story here and he took the children where the hospital was built in the name of Akash Rai. So he said to Nana that read the name of the hospital. So Nana read the name of the hospital, that there itself Akash Memorial Hospital in the memory of Dr. Akash Rai. In the memory of Dr. Akash Rai. Then she said, Nanaji, your surname is also Rai, so that's your son. So now hearing this, Nanaji told them that yes, he was my son and your mother's elder brother. As a professor of philosophy, I thought that I'm getting everything, I learned everything in my life, but my son taught me the real meaning or the exact meaning or the basis or the important or the quality of service here. He taught me the real meaning or the word or the meaning or the exact meaning of the word patriotism here. So here our first lesson is finished. The name of the lesson is the patriotism. Who was the author here is Ramanendra Kumar, and the Dr. Akash Rai has taught what is the real meaning of patriotism. It is not for only the dying for one's own country or the sacrifice for the life of the country, but for doing small things for his own country here. That is the meaning of the patriotism by Ramanendra Kumar.